Meet George. He's an arborist for the forestry division of a small city. George goes out weekly into the community to ensure that all of the city's forestry assets are entered into the city's asset management system. To complete his tasks in the field, he uses the AssetWorks EAM Connect mobile application. During his weekly inspections, George notices that he needs to add a new tree into the system. After logging into the EAM Connect app, George opens the asset management function and selects New Asset Record Type. From there, he can choose from a list of predetermined asset templates, which pre-populates common data like maintenance schedules, asset attributes, and more. Using the app, George can add his location automatically or pin his exact location on the map manually. Then, he can update asset attributes and attach any relevant files or photos from his device. Next, George notices a tree is interfering with power lines, but he cannot complete the necessary work alone, so he creates a service request from the EAM Connect app. In the app, he selects the asset from the map and opens the service request function. He then selects a symptom to classify the issue he is reporting and adds photos from the scene. While completing his scheduled inspections, George notices a nearby tree is in need of pruning, or else a branch may break and fall onto the roadway. He selects the tree in EAM Connect app and selects the work order icon at the bottom of the screen. He adds a work order title for quick reference and then selects a work class, which helps report on the number of reactive work orders versus scheduled maintenance. He selects the pruning task in the app. Then he can post labor, request parts or materials, post a vendor invoice, and add equipment usage, all from EAM Connect. Thanks to arborists like George and the EAM Connect mobile app, the city's forestry assets can remain safe and well-maintained for the entire community. For more detailed information on the EAM Connect mobile app, schedule a custom demo at assetworks.com/EAM.